give you my heart.
Hey cuties, it's your Kitty One Live Today. I'm going to teach you a tutorial on how to do Bantu knots. First things first, you're going to moisturize your hair. You're going to make sure every inch of your head is moisturized. Once you're finished with that, you can brush it out. I already brushed my hair off camera, and now you're going to take the rectangle comb, you're going to part it. And for me, I'm going to do a design which is going to be like a 4 diamond Bantu knots. And there's going to be like an X in the middle. But for you guys, you can just do like some smaller triangles or rectangles. I suggest doing triangles is the best way to do it. Take the 24-hour edge trimmer gel, and you're going to take some of that and you're going to spread it onto the root of your hair, and make sure all the roots, every edge of your hair is all slicked back up into the ponytail, so no hair can come loose when you're putting the hair in the ponytail. Once you do all that, you're going to brush all into a ponytail, and you're going to take some small rubber bands and tie your hair up in like a ponytail. But make sure everything is down. Now once you finish putting your hair in the ponytail, you're gonna part the hair where the ponytail is, and you're gonna part from there all the way down. Well, you're gonna have some hair on the sides because you're gonna have to end up braiding this part, but you're gonna split it down from the middle, from where the other ponytail is. Make sure you have some hair left over, and you're gonna split it all the way down from the forehead all the way down to the back of the head. And make sure you have some space left of the hair because you're gonna end up braiding some parts of the hair to make a beautiful X. Because you're going to take that and you're going to braid from the scalp all the way from the corner of the head on the front all the way to the back on the other side of the corner. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other side. And then you're going to, from that part on, you're going to end up making the ponytails where the Bantu knot's going to be at. This is how it looks like. Now you're going to repeat what you did on the right side to the left side. Make sure both parts are equal so it doesn't be one lopsided braid, because the whole braid is going to tie the whole style together. gonna do the same thing on the other side of the Bantu knot ponytail. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the two more in the back. Brush, 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 brush your hair and ponytail. Brush, brush. Tie, tie, tie your hair and ponytail. Tie, tie. Since my hair was still dry, we're gonna add some more moisturizer to it. Now we're gonna braid from the left corner all the way to the back to the right corner. Beauty's pain, this hurts. The things I do for beauty. Almost there, guys. Now we're gonna put the hair. Now we'll take the hair that is left out, which is the two ponytails in the back. We're gonna gel them up, make sure everything's laid, nothing's sticking out. Put them up in the ponytail, and then we can start on doing the twist. Okay guys, now you're gonna split the hair in half. You're gonna put the two braids and the pieces that's sticking out. You're gonna put them up inside the ponytail after you split in half. You're gonna make sure everything's laid down, gel it up. Then you can put it all in a ponytail, and then you're finished with that part. Inside. Now you grab one of the ponytails, you're going to split it in two, and you're going to take the other half and you're going to twist it, and you're going to take the other half and twist that too. And once you're done finished twisting both of them, then you're going to twist them both together, and then you're going to wrap it into like a circle, but make sure it's tight. Not too tight, but tight enough so it doesn't come apart. And once you're done with that, then you're going to twist it into a circle, and then you're going to do the rest to all the other, sections. piece here and grab a rubber band and put it on. Going like fold the rubber band in half. We're gonna have it make sure it's going through both sides of the piece of hair, and then you're gonna take one side of the rubber band and you're gonna fold it on top of the other rubber band, and you're gonna pull the rubber band underneath it, and it's gonna be like a little loop hanging the hair, and then you're gonna take the rubber band, you're gonna tie it onto your natural hair. You're gonna take a piece of it and you're gonna twist it, but not too tough, too hard. And then you're gonna wrap it on your natural hair and under the fake hair. And you're gonna keep wrapping until it's all gone. And then you're gonna take your real hair, and take the other fake hair. And you're gonna take some more of the other piece off, and you're gonna twist it, and you're gonna wrap it around underneath the hair and over underneath the fake hair and all around your natural hair. And you're gonna keep until it's all gone. And then you're gonna take the remaining of the fake hair, and then you're gonna wrap it around your natural hair, as so. And then you're gonna have your Bantu knot right there. And then you're gonna keep doing the same thing onto the other hair. Once you finish doing your Bantu knots, you're going to lay your edges down. Enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below or which part of the video you liked or how much you like your hairstyle. I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. If you want to see this outfit that I created, go check out my video. I'll leave it in the description box. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, cuties.